looks primarily the same. It does look starkly different right at first because it is dark. I don't know why they went with the dark gray background, but that's what it is. So we have an image open here. Now the first thing I like to do is kind of customize my preference here for digital art. A lot of what happens in Photoshop in a default mode is it gives you a lot of stuff you actually don't need, like swatches and things like that. That if you do need them, hooray, but what I like to do is kind of go minimal. So I really only have a small history palette open that just shows me what I've done. And then what I really want to see are how many layers I have open. And my personal preference is actually to work in full screen mode with the menus open, because this gives me the ability to actually move the canvas around. Right now it's stuck in document mode, so the toggle for that is F for full screen. So that just brings us into full screen mode, so I can actually loosely move this, and the menus are still floating on top. You can go completely to full screen mode, which I call pro mode, because it doesn't show you anything but your drawing, so you know all the shortcuts. But right now we'll just stay in full screen mode, and again, that toggle was F. And some of the shortcuts I think that most digital painters should kind of know right away to kind of optimize your workflow. Number one is going to be Alt. So if you're using your brush, if you click Alt that quickly, can everybody see that tiny little icon? Okay. That kind of brings up an eyedropper. That quickly shows you the color that you were using, and the top arc is the color you are now selecting. So now I'm going to select this green, it's showing that again, and over here it's showing this. This will help you greatly decrease the amount of times you're going over to the palette, opening the palette, moving over, and trying to match that color. So Alt is one of the most important things you can do there for shortcut. A lot of the other shortcuts are very easy to remember because they are the first letter of that shortcut. Rotate is actually R. Holding rotate and spinning it will actually allow you to turn that canvas so you can come at it at an angle that's more comfortable for you. Escape pulls you out of it.